Good morning, children. I am starting new chapter. Why do we fall ill? Why do we fall ill? First of all, what is health? What is health? Health can be defined. Health can be defined as a state of being well enough to function. A state of being well enough to function well physically, mentally, and socially. It is definition of health. Health can be defined as a state of being well enough to function well physically, mentally, and socially. So, a true healthy person is the kind one who has sound body, lives in harmony with the others. It is health. Now we comes into the factor which affect our health. Factors which affect our health: physical environment, social environment, lack of nutrition food, and aging. Physical environment, the environment in which we live must be clean and hygienic. It is dirty, it can attract germs and pathogens which can adversely affect our body, such as open system, water open, driving, and sewage. This is very harmful for the human body. Environments affecting pollution, air pollution, water pollution, and atomic pollution, they can affect the body and follow the disease. So, physical environment also hygienic. Social environment, it is a must to sound social environment. A good social environment is a must for your mental health. If you live in a isolation, you may become introvert, which is not good for your mental health. So your social environment also good, may be good, must be good. Lack of nutrition of food. If you don't take your nutrition fully, such as which are proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, these are not enough in your food, they are cause of disease. So balanced food also eaten by you, must be eaten by you, in which carbohydrate, proteins, fat, vitamins, minerals, and water, these are used every day in a balanced diet. Aging factor also affect the body health. Aging is a person which involve age related changes. It is natural process. When we becomes older, some of our body process becomes slower and weaker. So immunity is lacking in our body. If immunity less in our body, the pathogens attack in our body. So we can affect for the disease. So these are factors which are affect healthy physical environment, social, lacking of nutrition, and aging. What is difference between health and disease free? Health person state of being well physically, mentally, and socially beings, and disease free some persons feeling discomfort, and health depend upon the individual and also physical and social environments. But a disease free only individuals are disease free. Always disease free healthy person, they disease free में can be healthy or unhealthy. This is different between health and disease free person. Okay, that's all.